Section 69A basically gives power to block the public access of any information through computer resource. So, whenever a central government or any person specially authorized in his behalf thinks that some information is expedient and can cause harm to the integrity and security of the state of India, they can block that public information through computer resource. Once it get blocked, the intermediary who does not comply can get imprisoned for up to 7 years and shall also be liable with fine. Section 69A of Information Technology Act also give powers to central government to remove any objectionable content from social media. On 20th December 2018, central government ordered 10 central agencies to monitor such information on social media. Some of the top agencies were CBI, NIA, Narcotics Central Bureau, Investigation Bureau, RAW, etc. These were specifically given power to decrypt any information on social media and monitor if it was against or not in compliance with the rules in Section 69A. Recently, there was a lot of debate around the country on blocking of social media apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. The central government stated that the social media intermediaries having followers more than 5 million should establish a 3-tier due diligence system with a chief compliance officer. They also stated that the apps should be able to track the originator of the information. And hence there was a lot of debate like on the issue of right to privacy or freedom of speech and expression. And recently in 2020 we saw in the case of Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India, it was stated by Supreme Court if by central government order freedom of expression or assembly has been infringed of a particular person, then they have right to challenge it in the court. Hence, in India, we can see that there is a lot of mixed reviews surrounding Section 69A. Hence, proper framework and guidelines is needed, as Section 69A is very important for the dignity of the country. But also it should be kept in mind that right to privacy and the freedom of speech and expression and the basic freedoms of people are not curtailed. Some of the instances of blocking of content on internet has been seen in India. So the first one is when in 2020 central government stated that and blocked 59 Chinese apps stating that they were harmful to the security and integrity of the state and in non-compliance with Section 69A of the IT Act. The second one is when Jio users were unable to access websites like Indian Qanun, Reddit and Telegram, and then they were issued notice stating that such websites were blocked by the Department of Telecommunications. Similarly, we saw in Kashmir tweets in that the Committee of Protection of Journalists stated that Indian government was pressurizing the Twitter to take down the tweets and suspend the accounts which were harmful to the sovereignty of the state and non-compliance with Section 69A. But the most suspension of accounts has been seen in farmers' protest. They still keep on posting and the tweets are still going on, but most of the accounts suspended and happened in farmers' protest. So these are some of the instances from last year and this year where we saw that actions were taken under Section 69A on putting content on social media and monitoring it and removing it.